Being considerate of someone's orientation or identity is crucial for any team or workplace. It allows us to foster a safe environment for anyone to be their true, authentic self.
Our actions and behaviors impact others. Being considerate of their identities and orientations helps us understand them better. Besides, thinking beyond self makes us feel warm and happy too.
To me, it's all about the mind and the heart. The very first step to take is to observe and listen with a very open mind on others' behavior and to make a very conscious effort to accept that deep into your heart.
So they know that they are supported, they feel heard, they feel safe and valued for who they really are.
And why wouldn't we want that for our teammates? I heard a great quote last week. It said, if diversity is a fact, inclusion is an action. So let's all take ownership of our actions so we can make Veeam and our community a safer and happier place for everyone.
It's important for me to live and work in a place where my right to be myself is protected, where I'm safe from discrimination or hate. And I hope someday my husband and I will keep those rights when we're away from New Zealand, staying safe from intolerance across the rest of the world.
We believe that different backgrounds, strengths, experiences, ideas and opinions are what make us stronger as a team, as an ally, and for me personally as a leader at Veeam.
Our voices and messages are heard by the next generation. Standing up at community events, like Pride events, and supporting people who are different from us is a vital lesson for them to learn.
All human beings deserve safety and acceptance in their home, work, and communities. And all human beings thrive when their family, friends, and colleagues affirm and respect their sexual orientation and gender identity.
Now, as we close out Pride Month, it's been a great way to highlight for me with the LGBTQI community how far we have come, yet we do still have a long way to go to be truly inclusive, understanding and considerate of all.
So I aim and we aim to foster an inclusive culture at Veeam so everyone can be their authentic selves at home and at work. Happy Pride Month from the team in APJ.